Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Iham Masbuha. I'm from Wincari Hidayatullah, Jakarta. I'm going to express my opinion about honey is very good for health and can cure various diseases. Some people understand benefit to contain as honey traditional medicine. They tend to prefer modern medicine because it has been tested for its benefit side effect, pharmacology and clinically. They took in modern medicine, they clear in information about how to use it and its effect next in after combine or curing disease. This is because this type of drug has gone through a series and development before being allowed to sold fair in market the willing consume. But actually honey has so much benefit for health and has so much nutrition, so that since long time to ago believe as cure for every kind for you. Honey has function for increasing body immunity as phytonutrient compounds which are claimed to strengthen immune cell in the human body because there are phytonutrient compounds in which are they took to be able to maintain heart health and blood flow and prevent the formation atherosclerosis. Several studies have proven the benefit and honey in lowering the pressure. It will as lowering to cholesterol and fat will in the blood. And honey can also relieve cough because it's sweet. Test in honey triggers severe production to moisture a drink to be reducing itching and the throat and the urge to cough. Apart from that, the use antioxidant in honey can also useful for relieving inflammation that can trigger coughing. So, some studies even said that honey is useful as neutral cough medicine. That is unless the medical cough medicine and the often prescribed and doctor for adults and children over as of 1 year. If honey consumed every day, it will be good body because honey is strong antiseptic and is proven to able to clean the digestive tract. To get benefit of honey, it will consume regularly on anti-stomach before breakfast. It will make in the toxin and the digestive system come out because honey has shown to have sufficient clinical trials to research traditional honey. This means that the benefit and this of administration claim on the based on the estimates and knowledge passed down from generation to generation. The gaslight of contradiction of the maximum doses of administration. Basically, we need to be careful about taking medicine and follow the guideline to taking the right medicine, especially modern medicine. So, let's go start changing our lifestyle because medicine come from nature just like traditional medicine and science honey because honey might benefit that are good for your body.